Hello, welcome to my channel, Premier Iowa Tree Surgeon. This is Jay. Today I am out here at this yard waste site to the small town in Janesville, Iowa. I was out here the other day down the road doing some estimates for some tree jobs. So I stopped in here to see if they had anything in here. And to my surprise, there was a bunch of cherry logs in here that I'm going to show you. So I hope you stick around and watch the video. I'm going to get my skid loader off my trailer right back here. And I have the grapple on it, and I'm going to load these cherry logs up that I'm getting ready to show you. So stick around and let's watch it. Me load these cherry logs up. So as you can see, there's a big pile of brush. This is where all the sanitation is out here. But if you look here, we got a cherry log here. We got a cherry log there. Come around here. Got a cherry log there. The cherry log down in there, you can see. There's a cherry log here. There's another cherry log here. There's a nice big cherry log right there. Anyway, there's several cherry in here that I want to get. I don't know if I want to make smoker chunks out of it. For now, I will split it into firewood link, and then later on I might cut them into chunks after I split them into regular pieces. So let's get the skid loader off. We got the prime attachment grapple on it. I use this for all my tree service jobs. If you look here, it says built to be bad dada, made in USA, up in Garfield, Minnesota is where it's made at. I went and picked it up there directly from the factory. 68-inch prime clam grapple. I've loaded a lot of logs and brush with this. Anyway, we're going to get this off the trailer and get it going. This is going to be fun to record because I don't have my way to attach this to my skid loader. So we're going to operate the skid loader one hand. I might sit you down by the truck just to watch me load everything. So my right joystick controls all the bucket movement. Wheel back this thumb and push the thumb up, opens up the grapple. Then this hand controls me going forward and backwards. So here's our first cherry log. I got a 30-foot trailer here, so hopefully I can load these logs up and then still get my skid loader on the back. I got a Zerk fitting that I can't get grease to go into. I got to take the whole cylinder off because when somebody worked on it before, they put the cylinder on backwards and you can't get to the Zerk fitting. Anyway, let's grab one more log and then I'll set you up so I can operate the skid loader and be more efficient. It's hard to operate with one hand.
I work for the city.
Yep.
I said, no, are you talk to somebody or?
No, I just, usually most of these wood yards, they will let you come and get logs and take them away.
Okay.
I'm just getting logs and taking away. I'm not dumping anything off.
That's fine. I just didn't know what you were doing. Are you gonna just take this load or?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm just getting the cherry logs out of it for firewood.
Okay.
Because this is all cherry.
Okay.
All cherry, and I'm just taking it home to cut it for firewood.
Okay. That's fine. I just didn't know.
Okay.
Nobody told me anybody was coming back.
Yeah, I never asked. I just did it. I'm sorry.
I would ask next time.
Okay.
Because once I'm done, I was gonna lock the gate. I'm just sighting in my deer gun down there.
Okay.
Firing a couple shots off, and
okay.
I just heard
equipment.
Yep. But are you gonna take your skid loader with you when you?
Yep.
You gonna come back and get it, or?
No, I'm gonna put it on the back of the trailer.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think there's only like 1 or 2 more logs, so I'll be out here in like 5 minutes.
That's fine.
And then I'll poly everything back up that I messed up, and I'll push it back up. You know.
Yeah. Yeah. No, that's fine. Just.
Because I go to Denver and get it. I go to Owine. I mean, it's a good resource to get firewood because they just.
Right. No, I don't have any problem to take. I mean, it's less to burn. I mean, it's good. It's good wood. Just. I would call City Hall
and let them know.
Yeah, instead of just coming out here.
Yeah, because see, I did some estimates out in Sylvan Drive yesterday.
Sure.
For my tree company, I got like 3 jobs to do out there, and I just happened to stop by and I saw the cherry logs in there. But yeah, I'll call next time.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Like I say, I mean, it's if you can use them, use them.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, other people come out here once in a while and get firewood. You just, if I know somebody's out here or whatever, I'll leave the gate open or whatnot. But just random people come out here, I don't.
I understand.
So, no, you're fine.
Alrighty.
So, okay.
All right, thanks.
Check.
Remy, get over here and stop.
You're all right.
Oh, he's just like that.
I know. My dog's the same way.
Yeah. Once he gets to know you, he'll be loving all over you. But come on, Remy. Come here. Come here.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Good luck hunting.
Yep. Have a good Thanksgiving.
You too.
You be a good boy.
didn't take too long. This one, there's a couple cherry logs that are nice size. This one here is good, and then this one here is pretty big. Anyway, it's been 23 minutes. Didn't take too long from the time I started this video. That one is pretty good. Anyway, what do you think? Would you come this far? I think I might be 15 miles from home for a load of free cherry logs. Anyway, let's get these tied down. Get the skid loader all tied down as well. And I'll show you once we get the wood all strapped down. So I'm all done. Whenever I come out to do something like this, I always try to leave it better than what I found it. So I was able to push all that brush up higher, and then I actually used the bottom of the grapple to smooth everything out. We got the logs all strapped down now, so they shouldn't go anywhere. Now I just got to chain down the skid loader. And then anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you like content like this, you like firewood, you like going out and cutting it, getting it, bringing it home, splitting it, hit that like button, leave a comment, tell me how far you would drive to get a load of cherry logs. Hit that subscribe button, and thanks for coming along. I'll see you next time. Well, just got home. Looks like it's gonna be a very beautiful sunset tonight. Let's get these cherry logs unloaded here. So I think I'm just gonna set them up here on the concrete for now. We got the pile of cherry here home now. After I get this last little bit of ash split up, that tote's pretty much full. I got a few more good rounds there. We'll be working on this cherry next. Hopefully I can get 2 baskets full of cherry. Hoping. We'll see. Anyway, used a bucket to grade the driveway after I messed it up. Ready? You gonna go bye-bye? You gonna go bye-bye? Anyway, we're gonna go get some free wood from a car wash.